What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here, and we are back at it again. We're going to be doing a quick and simple recipe. It's called Instapot Pizza in 10 minutes. So we're going to need all-purpose flour. We're going to need water. We're going to be using the dry yeast and salt, oil, and sugar. So let's go ahead and combine our dry ingredients. You're going to be adding your all-purpose flour or bread flour. Bread flour will actually make it a little bit more crispier of a crust. You'll be adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and then now we're going to go ahead and add our dry yeast, and that's 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. We'll go ahead and combine our wet ingredients. So we're going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm using avocado oil. You can use vegetable oil or you can use olive oil, whatever you'd like, and 1.5 cups of water. We're going to go ahead and give that a mix. Now you could do this by hand, but it makes it so much easier when you have a KitchenAid mixer or any kind of mixer for that matter. We're going to go ahead using the hook feature, kind of getting the dough all kind of put together in a nice little ball. And then we're going to go ahead and add some flour, knead it out, put it into a nice little ball. And I can't lie, this is extremely fun and it's a stress relief for me. So I like playing with the dough. Anyhow, don't play with it too much. Go ahead and add some additional oil on top, give that a nice little coating. And then from there, you actually want to just cover it and let it sit and rest at room temperature. Just like that. And it will double in its size. I like to break it up into portions. I got 2 separated portions. And now we're gonna have the fun of making the actual pizza. So I'm kneading it out. You're gonna need parchment paper. You're gonna need a ceramic plate if you have one. And of course, you're gonna need the Mealthy CrispLid that turns your Instapot into an air fryer or a mini oven. So I'm kind of just playing with the dough, getting it the right size, making sure that it looks good. We're gonna be putting our sauce, and you can put whatever you like. I'm using just classic regular pizza paste or pizza sauce on mine. Go ahead and put some cheese on it, and then from there I will put my pepperonis. You can use whatever you got around your home. Pizza's always fun, it's always entertaining. Great for when you have kids and you want to keep them occupied and busy. And why not just do it in that quick and simple device called the Instapot or your pressure cooker, whatever brand you got. Go ahead and put it in. I'm going to put the Mealthy CrispLid to 425 and I'm going to set it for about 7 minutes. I'll give it a nice crispy crust on the bottom. And there you have it. Voila, pizza in the Instapot using the Mealthy CrispLid. And I also showed you guys how to make some. So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow me on all social media platforms. And I'll see you guys next week. Leave a comment below. I know